Yes, now we are describing second lesson of economics, people as resource. In the previous video we discussed there are educated parents, they invest more money on the education of their children, and the parents who are uneducated, they don't invest more money on their children. So now the question arises, why did educated parents invest more money on their children? Educated parents invest more money on the children. They spend more money on the education, on the health and nutrition of their children. Why? They spend more money on the education, health and nutrition of their children because they know the importance of education. And there are so many countries which have spent more money in the development of human resource. It means they have invested more money on the people, and those people after this become human capital or human resource. For example, the countries like Japan. These countries, they have invested more money in the human resource, and due to this they became more developed or rich countries also. As we know, in Japan there is shortage of natural resources. They are lacking in the resources like coal and iron. But even after this they are more developed or rich countries. So how it become possible in countries like Japan? The countries like Japan, they import the natural resources from other countries, and with the help of their human resource or people resource, they make the efficient use of other resources or the resources which they are taking from the other countries. So we can say efficiency and technology made these countries rich. Now we will discuss our next topic, economic activities. There are the different type of activities performed by the people. These activities have been classified into three main sectors, such as first, primary sector, second, secondary sector, third, tertiary sector. First is the primary sector. Primary activities or sector means that related to nature, such as activities agriculture, fishing, mining and quarrying. Secondary sector, this includes manufacturing or industries. For example, iron and steel plant, cotton textile industry, sugar industry, all are included in manufacturing or secondary sector. Next, tertiary sector, it includes all type of services such as a service provided by a school, by hospital, such as by transport facility, banking, insurance. So, the activities which result in the production of goods and services, they are known as the economic activities, and these activities increase our national income.